G'day YouTubers, how are you? Liza here. I was just checking my daughter. It's the first time she's been back on this bike since my introduction to it. She's found the MT-10 to be a little bit more aggressive than a Harley Davidson, so well, the first time I took her out, she didn't realise that thumbs up meant keep on going okay, and thumbs down meant I'm not so good. Every time I asked her how she was going, she kept on giving me thumbs up. She hadn't been on the bike since. So this is, we're at Caloundra. It's a nice scenic part of the world. I thought I'd do a little bit of tour and talk to you about a few things. So Caloundra is situated 1 hour 10 minutes from Brisbane, going north. It's a nice little country, I shouldn't say country, it's a nice little coastal community. A lot of lovely beaches. You've got surf beaches, and you've got dog beaches where you can unleash your dog, and they absolutely love it, running on the beach and jumping in the waves. And there's some flat water there too at Caloundra where they can swim in the lake. So just hang on. How you going? Thumbs up, Summer? Hey! What does thumbs down mean? No go. Thumbs up? You good? Okay. There you go. I think she's got it. So yes, there's Dickie's Beach, there's King's Beach, Shelley Beach. I'm going to take you on a few. So we're coming into Caloundra as such now. We were just at Golden Beach. So Golden Beach is on the inside of the tip of Bribie, and there's a river that runs through there, and it's lovely calm water at Golden Beach, so great for kids. Mind you, the current is pretty aggressive. So we've just come off the main street and we're going along the beachfront, because let's face it, it's better to look at the beachfront. So we're in winter in Queensland, Australia. And Golden Beach is over there. Here's the river. And then you got the bar there. Good for exercise. There's higher paddleboard places and higher boats that you can get in there. So that's a nice little area. We come along the beachfront here. The tide really rips through here, so on a king tide you just got to watch it a bit. And also the benefit of Golden Beach, or Caloundra as such, all along the front you've got these walkways and bikeways, and it's all flat. Gets a little bit hilly up here, Shelley and King's Beach up in the hills. Not much surf. I got my indicator on. It's a regular habit with me. Anyway, how's everyone travelling? How's your bikes travelling? It's nice to have a bike and to be able to get away. So we're going along the front. That's it. I just got a hand on the shoulder. Thumbs up. Oh, thumbs down. Oh dear. She didn't like that. That warrants 6 months, no more riding. We've gone from Golden Beach to Caloundra. Now we're heading to Kings Beach. Here we go. So now we're heading down to Kings Beach. Getting hit in the back, I don't know why. So a bit of wind today, the surf's not real good. But you know, you can really get some lovely waves up here, and depending on the wind and where you go, it just it gets better and better. If it's rough at one place, you go around the corner and it's better. So here we are in Kings Beach, great little park, RSL. They do music festival here once a year, just in this section over here where this park is. Pretty good, eh? Wonder if I should rev bomb him. So Kings Beach. I'm hoping that the video shows you this. So we're going along the coast. So along there, you can take your kids down on the low tide and walk along all the rocks, and it's just really, really pleasant. Lovely warm bit. Here we go, Shelley Beach. Let's go here. The G-forces on these bikes are quite amazing. This is Shelley Beach. There's those rock pools we were talking about, all the way along this stretch. It's great for kids, and it's a great way to connect to your kids, walking through the rock pools looking for little creatures in the puddles. Very nice. There are bush turkeys. Thumbs up! Alright, okay, thumbs up. So we're regaining confidence off it. So you can see how the surf is a bit rough over the other side there. There's a, in here, very, very popular. And there's a guy that makes home brew in there, and it's really nice. Really nice park for the kids in there. So the way. We'll finish off our video up here. wait to see how this guy's doing. He's a bit dodgy. There he is. Alright, Sammy, hop off. Hop off and I'll just show this. You don't want to hop off? Okay. Well, we'll keep on going then. Okay? G'day! How are you, mate? I'll give you a little rev. You ready?
Whoa! Wow.
Just a little one. Alright. Yeah, you like motorbikes? You don't want to go down the hill on yours, you need brakes. Alright. Catch you later. Bye. Goodness. Look at that. Absolute ripper. It's even better. Sticky Beach. So this was the last beach that we needed to look at. Sticky Beach. And there's a really good bakery in here that we're getting some sultana bread from. Say goodbye, Summer.
What do you mean?
We're going to say goodbye to everyone now.
You?
Yeah, me. Hang on, I'll turn around this way. Yeah, Emma. Say hello.
I hope you had a wonderful video by my dad, a motorcycle rider.
I'm not a
He's 3.
Hey, tell me, was the ride alright? Yeah? So you ready to hop back on again? Yeah, thumbs up? Thumbs up, okay.
Next one into the mountains.
Next one in the mountain?
Have you there ready?
Alright, say goodbye then.
Bye!
Alright everyone, thanks a lot for joining us. Oh, kisses too. Ooh, cheers. Pelicans, they are pelicans.
That pelican is.
Wow.
How big
They are. Pelicans are big. What a wonderful bird is the pelican. Its bill can hold more than its belly can.
Let's have a look what animals are.
Let's have a look, eh?
Those are very rare crabs.
Well, there you go. Mangrove jack.
So that's a flat.
Flathead. Is it a flathead? Yeah, that's a flathead.
And there's a prawn.
Yep. It's a crab.
And there's
Yabbies too, I didn't know that.
Yabbies, where?
Yabbies. Are you a yabby?
Oh, there. Yabbies.
Yabby.
There's yabbies, seagrass, broom.
Hey, look. There's a pelican that wants to eat you. Come over here.
What?
Hey, pelican! You can eat her. Here she is.
Look how big she is.
She wants to
He's
eat
looking
you.
at like. He's looking at like.
What's he doing? Hello.
To attack us. I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm scared too. Pelican. Yep. We've got our body armour on. Hello, pelican.
I don't have any body armor.
Look how big he is. Hello, pelican. Look at his big feet. G'day, mate. How are ya?
Can I come a little bit closer?
Nah.
Why?
I think he's going to eat us. Look at him. I'm going to eat you.
He's looking at us like. He's swaggy his little face.
Yeah. I'm going to gobble you up, Summer.
Imagine if he just started charging.
He's big, isn't he? Oh, look, his mates are coming.
Imagine
G'day.
if he just started.
Whoa, what's he doing now?
He's,
Whoa.
is he about to charge at us?
He's probably about to poo on us.
Hey, you're just scared and never scared.
Yep, get ready to run. Look at him. He's getting ready. Oh, he pooed too. There you go. Cheers. Oh, there we go. Let's get home. We've got work to do.